my life, didn't know what I was living for. Drifting through my days in a humbling world. Well, I'd never seen a girl like you, with your strawberry curls and your flowers and pearls. Set my world on fire, brought me to places that I'd never been before. You were years older than me, girl, but I felt so protective of you. The body of a woman, but the heart of a child. It was your innocence that drove me wild. I want to earn $1 million just to spend it all on you. I want to rule the world so I can share it with you. The happiest times of my life, girl, were the times I spent with you. But now you say our love is through, and there ain't nothing I can do. I love you, girl, but I don't own you. You're a wild spirit running free. So if we must part, then let us part as friends. 'Cause baby,